Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reopen a closed path. So if you accidentally closed a path, whether you drew it with the pen tool or with the shape tool, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reopen that path and continue drawing or adding new points. To draw shapes with the pen tool, make sure that no layers are selected. Go up to the top menu, you can click on the pen tool or use the keyboard shortcut G. I'll click to add a point, click to add another, click to add another. Now I'm going to come over here to this first point. Notice next to the pen tool icon on my cursor, that little circle. That indicates that I'm about to close the path for this shape. So I'm going to click here. Now I have a closed path or a closed shape, which is not what I want, as I want to continue drawing the mountain range all on one shape. To reopen a closed path or a closed shape, first we want to select the path. So just twirl open the shape layer, twirl open contents, shape 1, twirl open path 1, and a little shortcut to get to that path if you don't want to do all that twirling. When you select the shape layer in the new properties panel that was released in AE 2023 and above, if you just double click on path, that will reveal that property. Now all you have to do is just select it. With the path selected, make sure that you're on the selection tool. That's keyboard shortcut V. Then you just need to drag out a selection over any 2 points. So I'm just going to click and drag out a selection over these bottom 2 points. Then I'm going to right click on one of the points, go to mask and shape path. Notice there's a check mark next to closed. When I click on closed, that is going to reopen this path or this shape. So I'm going to click, and if you look at the vertex, notice it's solid, but once I click on closed, so now there's this outside stroke indicating that this path is now open. Once you reopen the path, with the selection tool still active, drag out a selection over an individual point. This is going to be the point where you resume drawing with the pen tool. So in my case, I want to resume drawing on this bottom right corner. So I'm just going to drag out the selection. Now I'm going to go to the pen tool. So I'll just click, 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 click. And to close this path, I can come all the way back to the beginning. Notice my cursor. When I reach that last vertex, I see that little circle indicating that I'm about to close the path. All I need to do is click, and in the layers panel, you can see there's just one shape layer and one path. Now I will show you what to do if you are drawing out a path using the pen tool and you accidentally double click and you get this bounding box. Well, as soon as you get the bounding box, your tool automatically switches to the selection tool. Now all you need to do is just tap the enter or return key. That's going to get rid of the bounding box. You still have the selection tool active. All you have to do is drag out a selection over one of the points where you want to continue drawing using the pen tool. So I'm just going to draw out on this bottom right corner, go back to the pen tool, and now I can just resume, and I'm back on that same individual shape. And that is how to reopen a closed path or shape in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.